Here we see candles. We see 4 candles: the red candles, the blue candle, the yellow candle, and the white candle. So today we are uncovering the meaning of these candles. Ngicela please watch till the end and see a great way to ukuthi usebenza ngalama candle. So the red candle, it more later only one usuyenza ubuthakathi kahle kahle because the red candle, it is very powerful, it is very strong, and it has got a lot of meanings. Kepha linamandla lona leli candle leli linama meanings amaningi. Kepha abantu balisebenzisa bathandaze ngalo, kepha bazi ukuthi lishukuthi, kepha bazi ukuthi umsebenzi wale candle kuyini. Kodwa icandle leli red, some way somehow it symbolizes new beginning. So ngikhuluma ngokuthi we come to the blue candle, the candle that activates your throat chakra, the candle that abafundisi ngisho nomthandazi ithunywa, the messengers, the prophets, yithi labo ngisho nezangoma, we also do use this blue candle. The blue candle is very, very powerful in terms of forgiveness. Uma usuqala uxolo kuNkulunkulu, uma usuqala uxolo edlozini, usebenzisa leli blue. Uma se uqala uxolo noma uthandaza ukuthi ngicela ukuthi bangixolele, ngicela ukuthi usobani angixolele, usho kanje nje kahle kamhlophe nje qwa, usebenzisa leli. It symbolizes cleansing, it symbolizes forgiveness, it symbolizes new beginnings. That is ikhandlela lelo blue. It symbolizes new beginnings, forgiveness. You know, qalabusha, febathi qalabusha bakhuluma ngaleli eli blue. Mase sithi jigi sibheka leli elimhlophe. The white candle, yo ifana nempepho ke le. Ifana nempepho inamandla maning. The white candle is powerful, very, very powerful in terms of we're talking about power, we are talking about new beginnings. We are talking about yabana wonke amakhandlela la emhlabeni wahlanganisile. That is the white candle itself. It symbolizes pureness, it symbolizes ubuhle. It symbolizes ubuhle bendalo. Uma usukhuluma ngobuhle bendalo ukhuluma ngaleli khandlela leli elimhlophe. Uma usukhuluma ngobuhle bento, uma usukhuluma nge-cleansing, uma usukhuluma ngeqalabusha sobala leli elimhlophe, kodwa ke linamandla futhi it is very dangerous, the white candle. Uqhaqha amafindo uqhaqha nala kukubi khona noma kuthini. Yabona the white candle is like just like impepho nje livele libiza idlozi libiza ithongo. Yabona the white candle, yay, alidlaliswa ke. Maseke sithi sibheka the yellow candle. You look at it, ubona ilanga nje. Ubona ilanga ele khandlela elinjani? Eliyelo. Yabona leli eliyelo ke lona ke hayi alisaqethi. Awusangitshela ngekhandlela eliyelo, it signifies cleansing nalo. New humble beginnings. Ever heard when they say someone is having a new humble beginning? They're talking about this yellow candle. They're talking about the yellow candle. Masa sikhuluma nge-humble beginnings. We're talking about the yellow candle. When we talk about the sunshine, we talk about the brightness in my life, we talk about success in my life, we talk about humble beginnings, we talk about blessings, we talk about purification. We are talking about the yellow candle. Leli khandlela linamandla kahle nje. Linamandla leli khandlela. Please take note ukuthi lama khandlela mangacisha la singaphandle sesilayite eli blue. Ngaphinde ngalayita eli white. ngalayita eli-yellow. Angithi ngalayita eli-red. Eli-red you always have to ukuthi ugcine ngalo. Ne? Awubheka umlilo wakhona, awubheke nje. Just look at this. It is outside. Bheka amanye amakhandlela, bheka leli eli-red uzungixoxele. The power of these candles, it's inimicable. It's unbelievable. It is very, very strong, lama khandlela. Now I ask and beg of everybody out there to be able to know how to use these candles and to know the meanings. You cannot be bragging about a candle. You cannot be bragging and praying to God ngekhandlela ongalazi ukuthi lisho ukuthini. Bantu abadala, zindlondlo ngiyangicela.